So I am back with a new video where I unbox some gifts from Germany from my uncle. Let's get unboxing! The first thing I see in the bag is a chocolate bar. It's filled with hazelnuts and it's dark chocolate too. I love hazelnuts and chocolate. Best combo ever. I honestly prefer milk chocolate over dark chocolate, but sometimes I like dark chocolate too. Look at me struggle to pick something and then finally choose toothpaste. Well, it's toothpaste for your teeth, nothing else. Not like the ones here, but it's unique. Brush your teeth twice a day for no germs. Now, the next thing is a perfect match for toothpaste. Obviously a toothbrush to keep them teeth clean. We don't have 1 or 3 or 4. We have a total amount of 5 toothbrushes. Now that's a lot of toothbrushes if you ask me. 5 teeth brushes are teeth brushes. They're not called teeth brushes. They're called toothbrushes. Get them right next time, Sajid. The next thing we have is some men's deodorant. It's Axe deodorant and I'm pretty sure you've heard it because it's a known brand. Personally, I'm not a huge deodorant person, I'm more of a perfume person, but the deodorant smells nice and I like the yellow hues, so bonus points for that. The next thing is some chamomile tea, and I'm not sure what it is yet, and I'm not even sure what a chamomile is, but I'll put some pictures on the screen right about now. I do drink coffee more than tea, but I like to go in my comfort zone and try new things. The next thing we have is some ladies' perfume called Karl Tokyo Shibuya by Karl Lagerfeld, and the fragrance of this perfume gives off such flowery but not flowery vibes, you know? It's just so majestic. It feels like I'm laying in a field with roses and all the other kinds of flowers there are. Let's see what the perfume looks like. The perfume bottle sure is tiny. The next thing we have is called a fig. I believe a fig is a soft pear-shaped fruit with sweet and dark flesh and many small seeds. I'm not entirely sure though, that's what Google told me. I guess let's see what figs look like. The packaging makes it look like it's an eggplant, but it's not an eggplant. These figs are dry, but normal figs look like the ones on screen. The next thing we have is some good old soap. Well, Dove soap, that is. If you're wondering, no, that's not a huge soap bar. There's too many soaps in there. The next thing we have is some honey. My uncle brought this the last time too, and you've probably seen me use the mini version of this in my videos. The next thing this bag has for us is some more tea. It's some Darjeeling tea and I'm very excited to try this out. Darjeeling is located in the West Bengal in India and it's mostly known for its tea. The next thing this wonderful bag has for us is deodorant by Jovan or Hovan. And I think it's called musk oil, but I'm not sure. The bright orange packaging sure is colorful. The next thing we have is a chocolate bar. It's the same brand as the other bar, but this one's milk chocolate. And it also has hazelnuts in it, my new favorite type of chocolate. The next thing we have is some more perfume. It's called Carl New York Mercer Street by Karl Lagerfeld. It's like the other perfume, but the men's version. This one smells nice too. Let's open it up. I do quite like the red and white design on the packaging. The packaging on the bottle is the same, but the only difference is the fragrance. The cuteness comes from the tininess. The next thing we have has become an essential these years. It's hand sanitizer to keep your hands clean and COVID-free. The next thing we have is some more chocolate. To be specific, a celebrations box. I'm very sure you've seen these before. Let's open it. I think I maybe should brush 3 times today. Comment down below what your favorite chocolate is. Mine's definitely Maltesers. Oops, I forgot to sanitize. Now I can enjoy my favorite chocolate in peace. It tastes so good. This is the last thing, but it's even more chocolate. It's coconut chocolate, and it's one of my new favorites. Hey uncle, if you're watching this, I just wanted to say thank you so much for these. I really loved all of these things, especially the chocolate. Thank you! That's it for today. Thanks for watching!